Hello and welcome to Hammerdown Motorsports. My name is Martin of Marty Motoring, and today I will be editing the video for Hammerdown Motorsports, so enjoy.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hammerdown Motorsports. Today we are at GALOT Motorsports Park and we are getting the Camaro out of the trailer, getting ready for the YouTube Callout. It's going to be an awesome day, so let's get ready. Got the car out of the trailer, it's ready for race time. So it is pretty warm today, but there is a lot of wind, so at least we're not really dying and baking in the sun. And if you get really hot, you can always go for a ride on the mini bike. So it's definitely an awesome time. Let's go.
Your 2013 Chevrolet Camaro.
All right, we are ready for our first run of the day. See how this goes on the 8th mile. Well, it's the first time I missed second, but I guess you get excited and you try to grab it as fast as you can. We're still in the 8s, which isn't too bad for the first run on the 8th mile, but we're gonna try this again, see if we can't knock that down a little bit. Better that time. I know we were in the 7s for sure. Reaction time was a .261, so I guess we got a win on that one. Best reaction time I've done yet. Still got some room for improvement, but I've seen me improving every run, and that's really all you can ask for.
So how you feeling, Steve?
Well, it's all part of the learning process, but I think we're getting better every run, so I can't argue with that. It's super hot out there, so conditions are always a factor, but 60 foot's 1.8, it's not too bad at all, and I don't know, I can't complain, I guess. So we did a few runs, finally got to a level where I'm a little bit consistent, so just had a nice feed of barbecue from John Doc. Big thanks to John Doc for that. It was absolutely delicious, and I'm enjoying a bit of a food coma at the moment before we wait till the sun goes down and do a couple more runs, and hopefully with the cooler air temps we can do a little bit faster, but I guess we're gonna have to see.
So you having a good time today?
I did, yeah.
Definitely worth coming out to.
Yeah, for sure.
What was your channel?
Street Savages.
Everybody go subscribe, Street Savages. There it is right there.
And my Instagram, so I do like truck stuff, car stuff, some four-wheeler stuff, and I like to do a mixture of things on my channel.
There you heard it right from him, so definitely go hit that subscribe button. So the sun is starting to go down a little bit, and we do have Send It Steve and Andy in the red Firebird. Now, those of you who watch my channel, the last time I saw this car run, there was a lot of smoke and a little bit of fire, so this could be interesting. So Andy, we're gonna do it right this time?
We're gonna try. Hopefully everything works out like it's supposed to be.
No smoke, no fire this time?
No smoke, no fire, just sending it.
Awesome.
With Send It Steve.
Sounds good. Send It Steve. Feeling strong? Tired.
What?
You've been a trooper.
Yeah, we're here. I get like, I think I'm on like my 9th wind right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we're just here to have fun, you know.
It's gonna be a good run though.
Out here for everybody, you know.
Absolutely.
Glad everybody stopped out and talked to us. And
That's what it's all about.
So definitely a good time.
Right on. Can't wait for the run.
All right, buddy.
So Andy's first run with the Firebird at an 8.22. Not too bad, just trying to get a feel for it, I'm sure. But I'm sure he's gonna be trying that again. Ready for another run? Oh, yes, sir. See how we do with a little bit cooler air temperatures.
The fastest run I've done all night at 7.6, and I didn't even have it in competitive mode. I had it with just traction control turned off, so I guess stability control was still on. Just kind of forgot to put it in competitive mode, but it might have helped me out. Thanks, sir. So 7.6, that's my best time of the night so far. So hopefully this cool air is doing its job and we can get actually lower than that, because that's my best 8th mile time as of yet. So here we go against Kutarmageddon ZL1. I think we all know what's going to happen here, but hey, you never know.
That 6.1 pass.
That's how I feel.
Happy. Very happy.
Oh, really?
I think you got the fastest with 6.1.
6:24 was the other one, I believe.
So tonight hasn't been without its share of carnage, because racing, obviously you're putting your cars to their limits, and sometimes the weakest links will show their faces when you run a few really hard runs. So it's just a 6, lost oil pressure, so his truck is back on the trailer. I guess we're gonna have to figure out what's going on with that. And also Andy's car had to be pulled off the line. I don't exactly know what happened there yet, but let's go check it out with him. So Mitch, what happened?
Well, we're leaking a little bit of transmission fluid. That's what you got when you completely build a 4L60E to make all this work. They want a lot more fluid, and right now we need more clamps to make that hole.
Yep.
So
that's all part of it, though.
Other than that, for one run, 830s.
Yeah.
That's pretty badass on a never tested car.
Absolutely. So now you just got to work out the kinks, and you'll be running the sixes. You got a hose clamp? I have a whole thing of hose clamps. So you need them.
I do. I need 2 hose clamps.
Yeah, come on down to the truck. So Mitch came over to the service truck and we hooked him up with some hose clamps, so hopefully he can get that all figured out with Andy's car and he can get all the kinks worked out and get that thing down the track. The service truck has actually come up pretty big this weekend. A lot of people borrowing jacks and tools and things like that to get their cars onto the track, so I'm glad to help. It's all part of racing. We try to help each other out to try to make everything go smoothly. We did an awesome run of 7.6 on the 8th mile and I'm pretty happy with that, so I guess we can build from that from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and keep that hammer down.